Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add vitamin E to your cream. First, gather your ingredients and ensure your workspace is clean. You'll need a pure vitamin E oil or capsules and a simple, unscented cream. This process allows you to customize your skincare, boosting antioxidant benefits directly. Always prioritize hygiene to maintain product integrity and effectiveness. Vitamin E offers incredible benefits for your skin, primarily acting as a potent antioxidant. It helps protect against environmental stressors and free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. Additionally, it's excellent for moisturizing and calming irritated skin. When selecting, opt for pure D-alpha tocopherol or a mixed tocopherol blend for the most effective results.
Quick recommendation: if you're looking to simplify your daily routine, consider these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. They make organizing your food a breeze, just like we're organizing our skincare routine. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. And if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Now let's get back to the video.
When adding vitamin E, precision is key. Start with a small batch of cream, perhaps 1/4 of a cup, to test the consistency. A general guideline is to add 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E oil per ounce of cream. If using capsules, simply puncture them with a clean pin and carefully squeeze the oil directly into your cream. This ensures proper integration. Once you've added the vitamin E, gently mix it into your cream using a clean spatula until fully incorporated. Avoid vigorous stirring, which can introduce air. Store your newly enriched cream in an airtight, opaque container to protect the vitamin E from light and air, preserving its potency. Always perform a patch test before full application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.